Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your JetBlue account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type jetblue.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of JetBlue Vacations. If you scroll down, you will be able to view lots of features provided by JetBlue, but for now, we want to log in. Right here, almost at the top right, you will find the profile-like icon. Simply hover over it and click on it. A pop-up will open asking whether you want to join in or sign in. Since we want to log in, let's click on the sign in button right here. Right here, it will ask you to enter your email address and password. Simply enter both of them. In case you forgot your password, here's the button right here that says forgot password. Click on it and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Once everything is okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and you will be able to log in to your JetBlue account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.